The Lefort classification of mid-face fractures provides a simplistic but helpful structure to understanding fractures in this area. A Lefort 1 fracture runs above the floor of the nasal cavity, through the nasal septum, maxillary sinuses and inferior parts of the pterygoid plates. A Lefort 2 fracture runs from the floor of the maxillary sinuses superiorly to the infraorbital margins, then extends through the zygomaticomaxillary suture. In the orbit, it passes across the lacrimal bone to the nasal bridge. The infraorbital nerve can be damaged if it is involved with this fracture. A Lefort 3 fracture traverses the medial wall of the orbit to the superior orbital fissure and exits across the greater wing of the sphenoid and zygomatic bone to the zygomatico-frontal suture. Posteriorly, this fracture line runs inferior to the optic foramen, across the lesser wing of the sphenoid to the PT erigomaxillary fissure and sphenopalatine foramen. The zygoma arches are also broken. This fracture disconnects the facial skeleton from the cranial base.